Winter is coming. Yes, winter is coming. And this is the North. That's how Jon Snow would say. But indeed, it is the North. This is Canada, man. And this is Quebec. Hello guys, this is Mayank Kapoor and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try and help you out for winter preparations in Quebec and in other parts of Canada. The number one and the most important mandatory rule in Quebec driving in winters is that the winter tires has to be installed in your car from December 1st to March 15th every year. There is no exception. In Ontario it's a different thing, but in Quebec the rule is it is mandatory to have those winter tires or the ice tires or the snow tires installed in your car. If you are on Quebec roads, they have to be on from December 1st to March 15th. Now this rule has an exception. In case your tire punctures or there is some mishap happening or emergency, then the spare tire which you have in your car, which may not be a winter tire, which could be a summer tire, and the dimensions can also be different because just it's a spare tire. So that is an exception which you can install when there is a problem, and then once you reach a garage or somewhere, you get that done, get that repaired, and get your winter tires back on. Now, what sort of winter tire do you need to have? Like which brand or which company? I would suggest go for a good brand like Continental, Bridgestone, and these sort of big brands because their tires are good, they don't crack. So the trick is that even if the tread of your winter tire is good enough, by good enough I mean the SAAQ recommends it should be around 4.8 millimeters in tread depth. So the tread depth is the top surface versus the bottom tire surface. I hope you understand that. So the tread depth has to be 4.8 millimeter at least. It's like 6 by 32 of an inch, and that is considered as a decent good tread depth for you to be safely driving the car in Quebec. But beside that, even if you have that kind of tread depth and you're running an old tire, maybe 6, 7, 8 years old tire, and the tire has developed cracks in it, that's not recommended either. So you better replace them because it's not safe to drive with a cracked tire, even if the tread depth is there. So you got to consider these two important points as far as your, let's say this is a part of inspection every winter that you have to do. There are some other tips also as far as your inspections are concerned. I'm going to cover them one by one. Number one, it's the windshield wipers. The wipers should be in a good shape, okay? Just check your wipers if the blades are not good, if they're not cleaning the surface properly on the front and on the back, please replace them. That's very, very important in winters when it's snowing very heavily or if there is an ice rain or something. So it's very important to get them replaced. Second one, the heating and defrosting system in your car. Now the air conditioning is not as important as the heating system is. You know why? Because it gets minus 20, minus 30 out there. And so therefore your car heating system should be very good, defrosting system should be very good, which cleans up your windshield. So please do that inspection also. The next important thing to check is the washer fluid. The washer fluid, this washer fluid is different. Why? Again, because it's Canada, it gets minus 20, minus 30, you can't just put water in there. The water will freeze, break the lines. So therefore you need to have a special water fluid which is still liquid until the minus 40 degrees centigrade. Easily available in your petrol pumps or the gas stations here, or also in your grocery stores. So you need to have washer fluid checked inside the car and regularly update them. The next one is the brake and the power steering fluid. Please get that checked also. Also please get checked the engine oil and the transmission oil. The next one is electrical and ignition system, whether your car is working well. The braking system, if the car is braking, the brake pad thickness, get that inspected. The lights on the car, the front lights, headlight, rear light, the horn, brakes, all those things needs to be checked. The drive belt, how long the drive belt is. The drive chain lasts much longer, but the drive belts sometimes break and you don't want to break them in winters, trust me. Then the battery and the alternator and all the other things, I mean, you can get all these things inspected from a regular garage. I strongly recommend you do every year before the winter starts, before you launch yourself on the roads. And last but not the least, in my view, if you are having a newer car, a costlier car, rust proofing is very, very important. I get my rust proofing done every year without any skipping. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you good luck. Bye-bye.